Today we will start with the article 9.8 of the chapter the conicoid. As we have done in sphere and general equation of second degree in two variables, similarly we have in three variables, that is the central conicoid. As you remember, the central conicoid is given by ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. If A, B, C all are positive, it represents an ellipsoid. If hyperboloid of one sheet, if ABC, out of ABC, one is negative, two are positive. Hyperboloid of two sheets, if two are negative, one is positive. And a virtual ellipsoid, if ABC are all negative. So a standard conicoid is it is a central conicoid. This equation represents a central conicoid. Ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. Now, intersection of a line and central conicoid we have to study. Intersection of a line and a conicoid. A line through a given point A, x1, y1, z1 meets the central conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1 in 2 points. We have to prove that a line can intersect a conicoid in 2 points. Also find the points of intersection. So the given conicoid is ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1, and any line through x1, y1, z1 can be given by x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by m, z minus z1 by n, where L, m, n are the actual direction cosines of the line. So any point on the line is x1 plus LR, y1 plus mr, z1 plus nr. Any point on the line is x, that is x1 plus LR, y from here, y1 plus mr, z, z1 plus nr. So any point on the line is x, y, z, that is x1 plus LR, y1 plus mr, z1 plus nr. For different values of r, we will be having different points of the line. And now we want that this point lies on the conicoid also, then it must satisfy the equation. To find the points of intersection, we will suppose that this point also lies on the conicoid. So what does that mean? It must satisfy the equation, that is a into x1 plus LR whole square plus b into y1 plus mr whole square plus c into z1 plus nr whole square is equal to 1. Open the bracket, x1 square plus L square R square plus 2x1 LR plus b into y1 square m square R square plus 2y1 mr plus c into z1 square plus n square R square plus 2z1 and r is equal to 1. Now we see that there are some terms of r square, some terms of r, and some terms without r. So now it will be quadratic in r. So let us connect the coefficients. Correct the coefficients of r square, r, and then constant terms. We will get a quadratic in r as r square al square plus bm square plus cn square. The coefficients of r are twice of, we will have every term of r has coefficient of 2r, that is alx1 plus bmy1 plus cnz1 plus ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic in R, will give us two values of R. So what does that mean? That there are 2 points of intersection of a line and a conicoid. When we put the two values of R in this x1 plus LR, y1 plus MR, z1 plus NR, we will get 2 points which are common to both line and conicoid, or we can say that a line can intersect a conicoid in 2 points, and after solving this quadratic in R we will get two values of R, and when we substitute them in this any point, so that will give us 2 points which lie on both line as well as conicoid. Now we want that this line, the x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by M, z minus z1 by N, the line this becomes the tangent to the conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. Now we want to find the condition that the line becomes tangent to the given conic. Condition means the relation between the given constants. The constants are x1, y1, z1, lmn and a, b, c. So we want to find a condition that the line x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by M, z minus z1 by N becomes tangent to this. So we will proceed like this, and any point on the line is x1 plus LR, y1 plus MR, z1 plus NR, and if this lies on the conicoid also, this will give a quadratic in R. So in general, a conicoid is cut by a line in 2 points. But what we want now, that this line should become a tangent to the conic at the point x1, y1, z1. It becomes a tangent at the point x1, y1, z1. Now the point x1, y1, z1 lies on the conicoid, so it must satisfy the equation of the conicoid ax1 square by1 square cz1 square is equal to 1, or we can say that ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square minus 1 is 0. So the constant term here in this equation becomes 0. If the point x1, y1, we want the tangent at the point x1, y1, z1. And if x1, y1, z1 is any other point, suppose here, so this equation will not be satisfied at that time, but we want this line to be the tangent line at the point x1, y1, we want this line to be the tangent line only then, but we want that instead of 2 points, the line should intersect the conic at single point only. The line should cut the conic at one point only, means two values of r must be same. Two values of r must be same. If the point x1, y1, z1 does not lie on the conic, then what we want, the two values of conic, the two values of r must be same. And when does a quadratic have two equal roots? When the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 in the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will have two equal roots if b square minus 4ac is 0. So what is our, if we compare this equation with our ABC, So this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. So now we want the two values of R must be same. For that we want B square minus 4 into AC should be equal to 0. So what we will have? ALX1 plus BMY1 plus CNZ1 whole square is equal to AL square BM square Cn square into AX1 square by1 square cz1 square minus 1. So this is the required condition. Tangent plane the locus of tangent lines at a given point of a surface. The locus of tangent lines at a given point of a surface or a conicoid is known as the tangent plane. Suppose this is the conicoid and these are the lines in 3 dimensions. We will have so many lines passing through one point in 3 dimensions. So ultimately there will be a plane that is known as tangent plane. So this is the point of intersection. Suppose you have a ball on a page. So page is the tangent plane and ball is the surface. Ellipsoid you can take hyperbola. The tangent plane is a plane touching the surface. And that is the locus of tangent lines passing through a point. To find the equation of tangent plane at the point x1, y1, z1 of the central conicoid this. So equation of any line will proceed like as we have earlier proceed that equation of any line passing through x1, y1, z1 any point is x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by M, z minus z1 by N. Let each is equal to R. So any point on this line is that is the value of x, y, z in terms of R. That is x1 plus LR, y1 plus MR, z1 plus NR. So this is any point on the line. And if this point lies on the conicoid also, so it must satisfy the equation of conicoid. And as we have done earlier, we will get a quadratic AL square, BM square, CN square plus 2R ALX1 plus BM y1 plus CN z1 plus AX1 square plus BY1 square plus CZ1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now the point x1, y1, z1, the tangent plane we have to find at the point x1, y1, z1. Now the point x1, y1, z1 is common to plane and conicoid. So it must satisfy the equation of conicoid. So what does that mean? Ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square is equal to 1, or this constant term is equal to 0. So our quadratic remains now r square into al square plus bm square plus cn square plus 2r AL x1 plus BM y1 plus Cn z1 is equal to 0. As the point x1, y1, z1 lies on the equation, lies on the conic also, so it must satisfy the equation of conic. Now two values of r must be same because we want that the line should be tangent. Line should also be the tangent to the conicoid. So instead of 2 points, the line should intersect the conicoid in one point. So one value of r is 0 because we can take common r. So this is al square plus bm square plus cn square plus 2 into al x1 bm y1 plus cn z1 is equal to 0. So now one value of r is 0. So what does that mean? Other value of r must be 0. We want two values of r to be same. Other value of r must be 0. What does that mean? That other value of r is what? Minus 2 alx1 plus bmy1 plus cnz1 upon al square plus bm square plus cn square. From here, the other value of r is this. And this should also be 0 because one value of r is 0. So two values of r must be same. So other value is also 0. So what does that give? That al x1 plus bm y1 plus cn z1 is equal to 0. But L, M, N are not given. We are given only x1, y1, z1, the any point at which the tangent is to be found, and the constant ax square plus c from this conic. So what is the condition or equation? So we want L, M, N to be eliminated from this equation. X minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by M, z minus z1 by N. Each was equal to R. So L can be replaced by x minus x1 by R. M can be replaced by y minus y1 by R. N can be replaced by z minus z1 by R. And R will be taken common and cancelled. So we are left with A L. L can be replaced by x minus x1 by R into x1. B y minus y1 by R into y1. C z minus z1 by R into z1 is equal to 1 is equal to 0. So R can be taken common and multiply whole equation both sides by r. So we are left with a x1 minus ax1 square plus byy1 minus by1 square plus czz1 minus cz1 square is equal to 0. So we can say that axx1 plus byy1 plus czz1 minus ax1 square minus by1 square minus cz1 square is equal to 0. But the point x1, y1, z1 lie on the conic also. So it satisfies the equation of conic, that is ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square is equal to 1. So put this value of ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square here. We can take minus common and these terms are plus. So we can replace this by 1. So the equation becomes axx1 plus byy1 plus czz1 minus 1 is equal to 0, or axx1 byy1 plus czz1 is equal to. So this is the required equation of tangent plane. So this is representing a plane ax1 into x, by1 into y, cz1 into z is equal to 1. So this is of the form ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. This is representing a plane and is known as tangent plane to the conicoid at the point x1, y1, Z1. Now this point lies on the conic also. The conicoid also. This point lies on the conicoid. That's why the constant term was 0. That is ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. So the tangent plane to the central conicoid is this. So what is the method? So your central conicoid is ax square by square cz square is equal to 1. So this can be written as axx and 1x should be replaced by x1. This is written as by. So 1y is replaced by y1. czz, so 1z is replaced by z1, that is 1. So this is the way to write the equation in numerical problems, or the equation of tangent plane. Now the condition of tangency. Condition of tangency means to find the condition that the plane Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p should touch the conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. We want to find the condition that this plane may touch this conicoid. So let us suppose that x1, y1, z1 be the point of contact at which the plane touches the given conicoid. So what is the equation? We have just proved that axx1 by plus czz1 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of tangent plane at the point of contact x1, y1, z1. But we want what? That this plane should become the tangent plane. So these planes are identical. So what does that mean? These two planes represent the same planes. So comparing the coefficients in each plane, ax1 by L, by1 by M, cz1 by N is equal to 1 by P. So what is x1? L upon AP. Y1 is M upon BP. Z1 is N upon CP. Now this x1, y1, z1 lies on the conic also, because this is the conic x. We have to find the tangent plane at x1, y1, z1. So x1, y1, z1 is the point on the conic as well as on the tangent plane. So it must satisfy the equation of tangent plane, that is a into x whole square plus b into y1 whole square plus c into z1 whole square is equal to 1. This is L square by a plus m square by b plus n square by ct is equal to 1. So we can take p common. L square by a plus m square by b plus n square by c is equal to p. So this is the required condition that the plane Lx plus my and z is equal to p may touch the conicoid this, and we can have the point of contact also, that is x1, y1, z1, that is L upon AP, M upon BP, N upon CP. So this is the point of contact also. So this is all with the lecture. So I will ask now few questions. This is the questionnaire. In how many points a line can intersect a conicoid? What is central conicoid? What is the tangent plane? What is the condition that a line? What is the condition that a plane? Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p में touch a conic. Central conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1.